What is up and welcome to another video. So I'm back after a long vacation, guys, and Bitcoin broke out from the symmetrical triangle pattern, and right now look at this beautiful breakout, guys. I was actually expecting a rejection near the resistance level, but right now we are seeing Bitcoin trading above, guys, and watch out for this very important resistances and support levels for Bitcoin. So I have plotted the Fibonacci retracement levels here, and these are the important support and resistances that you need to keep an eye on. So the next very important resistance for Bitcoin is going to be at 73,711. That will be the first resistance that you need to keep an eye on, which is the previous all-time high here last March 14. And of course, Bitcoin could potentially continue its uptrend, guys. So if we are going to measure the possible breakout target of the symmetrical triangle pattern. So basically, this is how you get the target of this symmetrical triangle pattern. So we'll measure the adjacent part here and we'll put it up. So that will basically could potentially go until $81,692 if we're going to measure the adjacent side of the symmetrical triangle here. But that is also in confluence with the Fibonacci retracement level or Fibonacci extension level, and that will give us 161.8, which is around 81,692. But you need to keep an eye on this possible price action as well, because the last time that Bitcoin broke out from the symmetrical triangle pattern, it did several stop hunts, guys. So as what you can see here, this was a confirmed breakout, but then we have seen Bitcoin retested the previous support here. And if that is going to happen, we might see Bitcoin touch the previous all-time high, which is 73,711, and then drop back to the previous support, which will give us $67,000 approximately before continuing its move to the upside, but then again dropping to the previous low and could go up to the 50,000 level. And that is just based on this previous price action. And we're actually looking at the similar pattern here and similar oscillator, guys. So when Bitcoin broke out from this previous symmetrical triangle pattern, when it was trading at around $43,000, we have seen that the oscillator formed a double bearish divergence, and that is also what is happening right now here. We are also seeing this double bearish divergence on the daily time frame. So we could possibly hit or break above, guys. Look at this. So previously Bitcoin manages to break its previous high here and traded above. So possibly we could go a little bit higher, up to 75,000, a little bit higher, 75,000, before making that wick to the downside here, and then making this last move and eventually this final shakeout up to $50,000. So watch out. This is just based on the previous price action here. So this could possibly target the lower channel of the symmetrical triangle pattern, and that will give us this level right here. So from 52,000 or 53,000 up to $50,000 for Bitcoin, which is also near the bottom of the symmetrical triangle pattern. Of course, we have this soft order block level that will act as a short-term support for Bitcoin. And of course, this Fibonacci retracement levels will also act as a short-term support. I have actually shared a significant support and resistances on my Twitter account earlier today. So feel free to follow me on Twitter. These are the very important resistances and targets, and of course, possible supports in the short term. So we could also see a possible retest of the support one in the short term. So watch out for this in the 4-hour time frames. We could possibly see a retest of the previous breakout point here. But this price action is based on the previous chart pattern here when Bitcoin was trading at around 40-ish thousand level. So this could be, this is what I'm expecting, guys. If Bitcoin would repeat the previous price action, we could see this kind of choppiness in the market. So be extra careful at the current levels. I'm expecting a stop hunt, guys, both long and short positions. So right now, be extra cautious with your trade. Of course, all charts and CA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. It is still holiday in the UAE, but I'm going to continue to update you on my Twitter account. And of course, watch out for this very, very important levels here, guys. So that's it for today. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and of course, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.